Hello, welcome again to the course on workplace management. This module is about workplace services. My name is Tamás Berki and I will guide through the design and management of workplace services. So first of all, talking about workplace services, the first question is what is a service? Facilities management standard defines them as a time-perishable, intangible activity performed for an entity. Thus, opposed to products, services are intangible and perish as the delivery of service ends. These characteristics differentiate them from products, which has important consequences for their design and management. So in the context of the workplace services refer to the services which support the buyers and end users of a workplace and support employees to carry out their tasks and processes effectively. Now take a look around in this office. You see the physical environment, but can you also recognize different services? Well, there are the lighting services, the heating and ventilation systems, the IT systems that support both individual and group work, also the meeting facilities, and the cleaning. There are storage facilities, also the Wi-Fi and virtual private network, presentational tools for group work, books from the library, and the coffee that is available for you in the office. So, as you can see, services are omnipresent in the office and they provide both for the operation of basic building functions and for functions that directly support work processes. The next topic is how can we categorize workplace services? One issue to clarify here is that we will use facility and workplace services interchangeably. Traditional facility services are services which are connected to the premises of an organization, and they may encompass a wide range of services, including, for instance, well-being services beyond technical ones. We also have to note that the physical boundaries of the workplace are increasingly blurred, and there are a number of services offered to employees outside the premises of the organization. Thus, we will regard here all services provided for employees as workplace services. Workplace services are categorized by facility standards as space and infrastructure and people and organization-related services, also referred to as hard FM and soft FM. In line with this, Tronconi and Ciaramella divide facility management services into building services, services to the organization, and services to the people. Services delivered to spaces and buildings are defined as services that aim at the maintenance of the property, the plants, and facilities belonging to it. Typical services in this category include the maintenance of the electrical, mechanical systems, fire safety systems, elevators, or the green areas. But why all these systems are considered services? Although these physical elements are not intangible, but to be functional, they require a service as electricity, water, or maintenance. It is also worth noting that intelligent building systems collect a vast amount of data about the workplace environment, and based on this data, they are able to customize personalized building services, an important element in service experience. The design and management of workplace is regulated by national occupational health and safety, fire safety, and building regulations, based on common directives in the European Union and to some extent on conventions of the International Labour Organization. In an office context, the so-called Framework Directive on Occupational Health and Safety, the one on workplace requirements, and the one on display screen equipment are significant. The legal framework in each country specifies exact minimum requirements towards room temperature, air quality, light, noise, elevators, restrooms to provide for the health and safety of employees. These requirements are mainly served by hard FM services, therefore, especially hard FM services are fundamental in ensuring an adequate level of safety and health at the workplace, and also legal requirements are important when designing these services. Services delivered to people display a great variety. They include on one hand services that ensure a safe and hygienic environment and basic psychological needs or directly support work processes. And on the other hand, services that go beyond the basic needs of employees and may belong to the category of non-financial incentives. In the first category, we find, for instance, catering, cleaning, environmental hygiene, or pest control services, while in the second one, well-being services such as the gym, an office play zone, yoga classes, guided meditation, snack bar, or a laundry service. In addition to that, an enhanced level of the basic services, such as a cafeteria offering a variety of healthy food, can also serve as an incentive for employees.